All right, here we are in the beet bed, and I did finally find some leaf miner. This is leaf miner right here, and I can actually see the worm moving right there inside the leaf. It's between the upper layer and the lower layer, and there's a second one right here into this red vein. And what they're doing is they're mining out the inside of that leaf. And we want to get this clean out of the garden. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this leaf out, and I'm going to feed this to the chickens. If not, get it in the trash. I don't even know if I trust the compost pile, but we want these larvae to be completely gone from the garden, from the farm, from the area, so that they don't hatch into adults and keep the cycle going. So we're going to take that completely out of the garden. And I found some leaf miner egg, and I wanted to show that to you. And they are right here between my fingers, these little white dots. And basically, the leaf miner, it's really a hard bug to see. It's really, really tiny. It lays these tiny eggs, and then this hatches into those larvae that we saw in the beets. To learn lots more about easy, productive gardening, tune into the High Performance Garden Show. You don't want to miss out. The show features a 128 square foot vegetable garden that can produce over $2,500 worth of garden fresh veggies with only a 15-minute a day commitment. And we'll show you everything that we do in that garden for a 33-week growing season. Along with the upcoming season, you can also watch the last 2 seasons. That's over 110 hours of gardening education, totally for free. Soon we will be starting the next season, which will provide you with 33 more weekly episodes to get you even more garden tips and techniques on how to grow a high-performance garden in your backyard. So sign up today, start learning. It's totally free. Start your garden season off right by going to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.